You cannot go like on the horse many days without meet the people. There is still some civilization, and I love the Kyrgyzstan for me. I'm from Czech Republic, so I lived in Czech Republic. I lived also a short time in Poland, and then I started to travel around Asia, around Central Asia. I also heard a lot about Kyrgyzstan, so I decided to go here, and I fell in love with Kyrgyzstan, with Kyrgyz mountains, with Kyrgyz horses, and I love the yurts in the mountains. I was very impressed, so I decided to come here again in next year and stay here. It was just like a hobby, but in the beginning I knew then I want to do it for a living. I want to leave my classic job to stay in the city, and I decided to do it like a professional. In the beginning I had two jobs, yes, like an official job for my company, and during the weekends and after work I start to do both, like a hobby. Then people start to like it. I start to promote it on the Facebook, on the internet, and people start to order, and I start to do it for a living. And then I just decided to quit my job. So this bow is actually a replica of the bow from 13th century, from Middle Age. It was found in Mongolia, but this type was in 13th century spread over in whole Asia. It was used by, for example, Yenisei Kyrgyz. It was used by Chinese. It was used by all the nomads, which was on the European and Asian steppes. It's just called Mongolian type of bow because it was found in Mongolia, but slightly different, it was spread over around Asia, so it's like a traditional Asian bow from 13th century Middle Age. And it was made from horn, which was actually the horn from sheep, wild sheep, argali, archal, or ibex, kozorok, or buffalo, which was in southeastern Asia. Maybe something like art, and I want to have full control about the process. It's something like if some artists want to paint some painting, it's he have to do it by himself because it's his idea, his hands, and if I will start it with like more people, it will be like a serial production, and the quality will be lower. I know just one friend here, Samad, and he is possible to make the bows, the traditional bows, like me, but he's just one. I'm not talking about the craft, about the leather craft, about the metal stuff. There is a lot of people. There is really a lot of people who doing work with leather. But like I say, it's spread over around the world. But especially the bows, it's very rare, even around the world. Yeah. So in many countries, it was just forgotten, this tradition, because it's logically people start to use classic guns for war, so they didn't need the bows. They just forgot it. You know, I'm from Europe, and there is everything developed for Kyrgyz people can be very interesting, but I'm lover of the wild nature, I like to go to the mountains on the horse and don't care if I can go there or go there. In the Europe there is a lot of rules and a lot of civilization, you know. For example, in Czech Republic there is a lot of people on small territory and there is a village, road, electricity and everything is like artificial and we have beautiful nature, but it's like a small territories and you cannot go like on the horse many days without meet the people. There is still some civilization. I love the Kyrgyzstan. For me, for European, it's like a rough. I can stay forever. I want to stay forever. If I will find wife, I will stay here forever.